want to get a running watch, but I'm trying to keep the budget to a minimum. And I know there are popular brands out there like Sunto, Garmin and Coros, but for someone just starting out, they're a bit overkill. Plus, the price is very high. Probably the nearest option for me is the Coros Pace 3, but I'm not a fan of that plastic build. After a thorough search, I finally came across the Decathlon GPS 900. It's got enough depth for what I need. I don't do trail runs, skiing or crazy stuff like skydiving. I just want something simple for flat runs. I would say the Decathlon GPS 900 looks quite nice design-wise. It looks pretty tough and the aluminum frame is definitely a nice touch. Alright, let's have a closer look at this watch. It says powered by Coros right there on the box. So basically it's a Coros watch just with a Decathlon label on it. And here's the watch itself with the Decathlon sticker on it. Let's get the watch powered on and see how it looks. And there it is, the Decathlon splash screen. Nothing fancy, just a standard rubber strap, but it's so light that you can barely feel it. It comes with an aluminum base, plus the charging port and sensors right there. Honestly, the strap that comes with it is pretty good. And if you want, you can swap it with any 22mm watch band. This is how it looks with the rubber band. It's lightweight, with a Garmin light feel. But this is just my own opinion. The only thing that I don't like is the rubber surface isn't breathable if you wear it to sleep. So I would definitely prefer nylon band. I've picked up one nylon strap from Amazfit and another more budget-friendly option off Shopee. I prefer this one mainly because it's easier and quicker to fasten than the rubber strap. And this is how it looks with the Amazfit nylon band. And this is how it looks with the strap I got from Shopee. On the back, it's aluminium, which really gives the watch a nice premium vibe. On the charging cable, you'll see the Coros branding, USB-A, which feels a bit outdated. Hopefully, you can get a USB-C replacement somewhere. Once it clicks on, it holds pretty well and won't fall off easily. Now let's check out what's menus are available on this watch. Pressing the scroll button shows exercise menu and watch settings. If you hit the bottom buttons, it will bring up another set of menus. This watch came out back in March 2023 and is still getting updates today, and that's really nice to see. If you check the version history, you'll see the watch has been getting updates since 2024. Hopefully, it keeps receiving updates in the future too. I won't cover the app in this video. I'll focus only the watch and the key things that you should know. The GPS performance is one of the weaker points of this watch. It works fine outdoors in open areas, but if I'm running around the block with tall buildings, it struggles to lock on and the tracking gets a bit messy. But if you mostly run in open spaces, this won't really matter. They even let you design your own watch face, which is pretty cool. The workout library is another thing that I find super useful. This is my workouts list that has been synced to the watch. You can access the full workout library from the app. Just pick the ones you like and sync them over. You can also view the workout details in the app. The watch lets you store up to 20 workouts at a time, which is more than enough for me. And if you want to remove one, just slide to delete it and it will sync to your watch right away. The same goes for the activity menu. You can add or remove items for quick access. You can also customize the activity screen itself, adding or removing the data fields you want to see during your activities. There's a layout option too, so you can set up the screen the way you like. You even get the option to set custom action for the buttons. Yep, that's pretty much I want to cover about this watch. So what do you guys think about this watch? Drop your thoughts in the comment box below.